Hi guys, now this is part 2 of how to build a modern 3-bedroom bungalow in Kitengela, and I'm going to give you approximate costs. This one now we are going to talk about site preparation. Site preparation, this is whereby we talk about soil testing. Soil testing, for example, you see where I am right now. This soil is cotton soil, so you'll need to do soil testing. This is where you give the engineers, the architect, the structural engineer. They will do soil testing. They will come to the ground. They are going to excavate a small portion, maybe a cylindrical section, and they are going to see how deep you really need to do excavation. Then the next step you need to do is excavations and site clearing. Okay, for this site that I'm selling, you don't need to do clearing because you see there are no bushes. But if you are building in a place that has bushes, you need to do site clearing. Now, because this one no bushes, so no site clearing. All you need to do now is excavations. This is how you go about it. You'll need to hire an excavator. It will cost you somewhere around 7,000 per hour. So depending on the number of hours, then you can do the mathematics. Then you need to do the foundation stones. You know them, zile mawe za kware, zile ngumu, zile za karagre. Then something else that you need to consider is filling, backfilling and compacting. So ni ile yenye mchanga inawekwa, hiyo maram inawekwa hapo, mawe. Kama ni place iko swampy, unaanza na mawe hard rocks, unakuja ukiweka smooth rocks, unamalizia na maram ama ile kokoto inakaa kama mchele huko juu. Now as we proceed, anyway, someone will ask me, Paul, in this step, what is the expected cost for this site clearing and foundation? The expected cost for a 3-bedroom in Kitengela, probably it will cost you somewhere around 600 to 700 or thereabout, because of the backfilling. Are we together? Because some places you may excavate up to 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. If you are lucky, 1 feet. So come to this place. I'm selling 50 by 100 na nakupea na bei ya 300k pekee. Hiyo ni cash price. Kama hauna cash, naweza kupea pia na installments. Unalipa tu deposit ya 30k, balance utakuwa unalipa monthly 27,000 every month for 1 year. Ama kama unataka 2 years, utakuwa unalipa 16,000 every month. I'm sure most of you who are aspiring to build, you can afford 16,000 every month. So the next step, the next video, we're going to do episode 3 so that we know how you can comfortably build a modern 3-bedroom modern bungalow in Kitengela. Stay tuned.